Alex here, AMRC. Today I have the UMX Air Tractor and also my DJI Mavic Mini because I'm at a different spot. There's a really nice canola field here, dirt road. Hopefully I can get both of these in the air and get some shots from the drone while flying as well. So let's see how it goes. Let's get them in the air. But come on, you're a crop duster. You're meant for this. And there goes. Okay, turn the flaps off. Try and not hit the drone. Landing's gonna be pretty interesting. No idea what altitude to set the drone to. It's not that high. Probably around 20 meters, something like that. Ooh. That should be a pretty nice shot. Can't think of a better setting to fly this. And I wanted to do this the past few years also, but the weather is always so hit and miss this time of year. And there's still flowers on the plants. So hopefully I can get some good drone shots. Maybe I should try flying low, not too low. I want to go get it from there. Oop. I have enough power. Let's try that again. I still have the flaps on. Probably not the best idea to do aerobatics in front of your drone. I'm nervous, I gotta say, especially thinking about landing it. And that's gonna be the fun part. I do have another battery pack for the plane. Actually, I have 2 more batteries for the drone as well. The Fly More combo. The 2 of them I've never even taken out of the box. Hey, it was a good Black Friday deal 4 or 5 years ago. I paid around $200 for this, so It's the first version of the Mavic Mini. It does its job. It doesn't cope very well with winds. Like, there's not much wind today. It's a shame it's so cloudy. It was so sunny this morning, but at least it's not raining. Circling the drone. And that thing is rock steady over there. Not exactly sure if I'm lining up the plane with the drone, but oh well. It's my first time doing it. Maybe not the last. If I get anything decent. Actually tried flying some planes over here a few years ago before I started the channel and filming. It's not exactly an ideal landing strip, but gets the job done. And it's close to home. Okay, I have a minute on the timer, so I do have a big battery in this 450, but maybe I should try see how landing would go. That was too high. Try to slow down as much as I can. I have half flaps now. Okay, full flaps. Let's see. Ooh, no, 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 no. I'm not in my car. Ooh, flipped over. But it's on the ground. It's in one piece. Yep, it survived. Drone's up there. Whew, what a rush. Thanks for watching, guys. Really had fun with this. Hopefully there's some decent footage on the camera. I'll see how I'll edit this. I have no idea, but I've had great people to learn from. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!